Hello everyone. I wanted to create a quick tutorial for you guys regarding your Module 1, AHEMA membership, and the RHIT exam application. I create these tutorials just to kind of save you guys some time and stress, I would say, for some of the questions that you may have regarding this particular assignment. So for Module 1, you guys are introduced to the AHEMA membership application process and the RHIT application process. So I want you guys to, you can click on here or let me scroll down just a little bit. Actually, we're already here. So I want to show you guys that there is a way for you to actually type on the PDF file as opposed to printing the file out, writing on the file, scanning the file back, saving it, and then sending it to your professor. So I want to try to eliminate some of those steps for you guys, and let me walk you through those steps. So of course you will click on here to download your RHIT application. And as you can see, the screen pops up and it takes you to the home page of the RHIT application on the AHEMA website. So you will scroll down and click on the paper application. Now I want to stop here just for 1 second because I have students that have jumped the gun and click on, I guess, the register online portion, and they pay for their application process. Please note that Rasmussen College will pay as a one-time only for the RHIT exam, so please do not jump ahead and pay for that exam. You guys should have been told this information during your student orientation into the program. However, if you did not know, yes, the college will pay for this. So please do not go and pay for the exam yourself. So you click on the paper application portion. As you can see, you have a pop-up box that comes up on your screen. Click here, open with Adobe Acrobat. So hopefully you guys have that downloaded on your computer. You click here, click OK. And now you have the RHIT exam application listed. Over here to the right side of the screen, you will see an icon that says Fill and Sign Documents. I want you guys to click on here. Okay. And now scroll down and you will see how easy it is for you to type onto your application. See? That's all you have to do. Put your cursor here and type in all of the applicable information for your application. Okay? After that, you can save it to your computer and then send it to your professor. Easy peasy. So you don't have to print this application out. Fill it out, then scan it, and then submit it. You know, I want to try to eliminate some of those steps for you guys, try and make it a little bit easier. So please make sure that you follow this tutorial. Now, if you do not have the Adobe Acrobat, you may have to print out the application and fill it out, you know, the traditional way. However, if you do have this downloaded to your computer, you guys should be able to follow this tutorial and type on it and then submit it back to your professor. Please keep in mind, please keep in mind that this is the only way that we can submit these applications to AHEMA. And when I say the only way, I mean only in a PDF file format, okay? We do not accept Word documents. Some students have been able to switch over the PDF file to a Word document. That is unacceptable. We do not accept JPEGs, screenshots, none of those type of files. We can only submit this application to AHEMA in a PDF file format. And for those that do have to print this out and scan it, please make sure prior to submitting it to your professor, please make sure that it is in the best of quality. Sometimes we do get scanned documents that we can barely read. Some of them can be cut off, so half of the application is cut off, half of the information is missing, things like that. So you want to make sure that your application represents the best quality, because it's not just going to us. We do have to submit this to AHEMA, okay? And if we can't read it, I'm sure that they will send this back to us, and which will cause a delay in you all sitting for the exam, because now we have to track you down to refill this out again, submit it, and then submit it back to AHEMA. So we want to try to make this process as smooth as possible. Okay. So again, that was a quick tutorial to show you guys a way that you can actually type and sign on the application. You know what? Let me go back just a little bit, and I want to show you guys the signature component as well. Okay, so again, we're clicking here. Scroll down, and of course I showed you guys how you can actually type here with your applicable information. Okay, but now I want to, because there is a signature component that you must have. So down here, right, is where we should have our signature. So you can actually click here as sign. Okay, as you can see, my name is already listed here, but let me see, just pretend like that's not there. So yeah, so now you can do this. So you'll type it in. Hit apply. As you can see, it's already there. And then now you can put it right there in the spot where it should be, and then you go off here to put your date, and then you should be fine. Okay, so if you want to actually put that signature component there, again, you go here to click there, you actually type your name, and then it will save for you. And when you go back to the signature line, it'll come up for you, and then this is the way that how it should be presented. Okay, so I think you guys should be in a clear now regarding how to actually sign and fill out the RHIT exam application. Okay, and also too, guys, prior to submitting, please make sure that you have checked off all of the applicable boxes that need to be checked. Make sure that all of the information is there. Sometimes we do go over the applications and we do notice that students have forgotten to sign the application, and also put the EPC code down, which is very important. Okay, in the course here, it tells you guys what to put down here, so you shouldn't have any troubles with that. And what else here? Let me go to the first page of the application. Of course, your email, but do not put your student email. Provide your personal email. This is the way that AHEMA will contact you, prior to you sitting for the exam and things like that. So make sure that your personal email is there. And I think that is it. Oh, here, yes, the EPC code. Okay, that is also downloaded in the course. So you have to read that document, that PDF file that's in the course, and you'll find which one you should actually insert into the application. Okay, your EPC code. So other than that, I think you guys should be good. Please take some time to go over this. Please make sure that you have all of the appropriate information that should be presented on your application. And the same rules apply, or tutorial applies for your student membership application here. Okay, so you download it the same way. You click on the Adobe Acrobat. There's also a signature component there, and you will do the same thing you did for the RHIT application. You will do that for your AHEMA membership application as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, please contact your professor. They'll be glad to help you. And if this does not work, Always rely on PSC as they are great with helping students with technical issues. So just by chance, if you guys do not have that Adobe Acrobat, you can contact PSC. They can help you guys with that issue as well. Okay, they can walk you through the steps. Okay, and that number is located on your home screen of the course, and it's bolded in a red font. Okay. All right. So thank you guys, and I wish you all good luck on your exam application process. Thank you.